Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can fix all these errors. What you need to do is to open a browser, then you need to search for Visual C runtimes or redistributable, any will do. So you can click this link. So I'm going to open it as a new tab, and I'll show you what you can do. You can also open this link. So this one is a Microsoft website, and they provide this bundles of Visual C++ runtimes. So as you can see, they have all the years like 2015 to 2022. So this one is 2015 to 2022, and the below one are 2013, and then this 2012, then I guess 2010 and 2008. So if you are facing only the 140 DLL error, so this runtime will do the job, this one. So you need both these x64 and x86, but I'm gonna show you a way that you will never face any of the DLL errors, not the 140, not the 120, and also not the 100. So you can download all these one by one. Like you can download this okay, so x64 and x86, this x64 is 64-bit and x86 is 32-bit. We need both the versions, so you can download them one by one, like for from 2015 to 2022 both versions of this, then 2013 both versions of this, then 2012. But there's a better way. Just open this website. From here, choose this Visual C Redistributable runtimes all in one. So what it will do, you don't need to then download them one by one, like download this then install this, download this then install this, download this and install this. Just come open this link, as you can see here, then just hit download. It has all the runtimes, as you can see in the image. If I can open this image in new tab, okay, let me zoom it. So as you can see, it has all the versions like 2005, 2008, 2010, 2012, 2013 and 15 to 22. So it has all the versions of 32-bit and 64-bit also. And to install that, you need to this is a batch file, so you can right click it and install it, or double click it, install it. So just hit download and choose a server. So this is the closest to me. You can choose whatever the closest to you. Hit download. As you can see, it's in a zip file, so hit save, let it download. It's downloading here. It's downloaded. I'm gonna open the folder where it's downloaded. Then we'll extract it. So you can choose this extract all, or if you use WinRAR or 7-zip, you can extract via those. So I'm gonna choose this extract all. So it will extract all here. So as you can see, it has all the necessary files that we need. So we skipped this part, like to download them one by one and install them. So with the help of this all-in-one, you can just run this file, open this file, and it will start installing. Or if you want to do manually, then you can install all these manually by one, or if you don't want them to install all at once, then just open this and it will install all these, and that's it. You will never face any more DLL errors ever, because it contains all the necessary runtime files that you need to play games or maybe some other software that needs it. So that's it.